third base, no pitcher. She stayed, you'll ditch her. Well played, go bigger, well paid,